In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your self-view on Zoom. This feature can be particularly useful if you find yourself distracted by your own video feed during meetings. Removing your self-view allows you to focus more on the conversation and less on yourself. Let's dive in and explore how to do it. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your preferred internet browser and navigate to www.zoom.com. Once you arrive at Zoom's homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not yet logged in, look towards the top right corner where you'll see a button to sign in. Enter your credentials and sign into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to your profile icon. This is typically located at the top right corner of the screen, usually represented by a small circular avatar or your initials. Click on your profile icon to bring up a drop-down menu, and from there, select the Web App option. It's a straightforward way to access Zoom without needing to open an additional desktop application. Once you've clicked onto the web app, look for the New Meeting button. This is where you'll initiate a new Zoom session, just like you would if you were setting up a meeting for work or catching up with friends. It may take a moment for your meeting to start, so be patient while it loads. When your new meeting has successfully begun, you'll notice several options and toolbars at the bottom and on the sides of your screen. One such option is View. It's usually located towards the upper part of the screen, depending on how your interface is arranged. Give it a click. This option allows you to customize how your current meeting's layout appears to you. Now within that menu, you should see an option labeled Hide Self-View. By selecting this option, you're essentially removing the view of your video feed from your own screen. This doesn't mean your camera is turned off or that others can't see you, only that you won't see yourself on your screen anymore. This can create a more seamless experience, especially if you tend to get distracted by your own video reflection. By following these steps, you've successfully hidden your self-view on Zoom. Remember, if you ever want to bring your self-view back, you can easily navigate to the same menu and choose Show Self-View. This option is always reversible. Using this feature is a great way to keep meetings focused and reduce any anxiety associated with seeing yourself on camera. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.